If you are upgrading to a new SharePoint environment and want to migrate data seamlessly, schedule migration jobs, backup and restore data, manage site notifications, create and delete site collections, and oversee implemented governance rules, it is definitely a repetitive and time-consuming job to manage. Migrate your SharePoint data, including sites, documents, lists, libraries, items, and web parts, and this task becomes more exhaustive, especially when the equation involves remote servers as well. Presenting Xavier SharePoint 2010 Migrator Premium, a tool specifically designed to automate and streamline the premium version management and data migration. Migrator offers a lot more than just migration. It helps you schedule and batch up multiple migration jobs, perform backup and restore operations with ease, configure site-wide notifications, overview governance rules, and manage your site collections. Let's take a brief look at some of the most valuable features of this migration tool. Migration. With Xavier SharePoint 2010 Migrator Premium, migration is as easy as a simple drag and drop. As soon as you drag a site, item, list, or library and drop it under a site collection on your destination side, you are ready to migrate. You can right-click on an item to modify its import-export settings. These settings let you specify security, visioning, object identity, and web parts. To start your migration, click on Start Migration and all your data will be migrated from your source to destination seamlessly. Governance. This feature saves you a lot of trouble and window shifting. It gives you one window access to all your site properties and governance rules. Simply select your required properties with checkboxes and Xavier SharePoint 2010 Migrator Premium will scan and display all the required information in a report format, letting you have a complete overview of every setting in your existing SharePoint environment. Backup and restore. Backup and restore your data with complete ease of mind. This tool performs file-based import and export operations. Just click on Export and select a target folder where you want your data to be placed. This tool will back up all your selected data in that folder for a later use. In the same way, when you want to restore your data, simply click Import and select the path of a backup folder and all your data will be restored and imported to the target location. Scheduling. This feature lets you schedule different migration jobs with ease. Simply drag and drop an item from your source to destination and click Schedule Migration button. Specify a date and time to perform migration. You can schedule multiple migration jobs to perform at different dates and times. You can also check the status of your scheduled migration jobs. The queue shows all pending and completed migration jobs along with their respective dates. Batch migration. Now you don't need to migrate different items or sites one by one. Simply drag and drop as many sites, lists, document libraries and items as you want and click Start Migration. Xavier SharePoint Migrator will automatically batch up the items and perform migration. This feature saves you valuable time and automates your entire migration process, making your life a whole lot easier. Notifications. Site-wide notifications are easy to manage with Xavier SharePoint 2010 Migrator Premium. Inform your users of the latest changes and announcements. Just select a site and place a notification. You can inform users of migrations, URL change, important events, and more with this feature. Instead of manually doing it, this tool does it with a simple click and type. You can later remove the notification with a single click. Migrator performs all of this seamlessly while you manage it all from a single window. Manage site collections. With this tool, you don't have to open your server administration and manually create or delete site collections. From the simple tree view style window of Xavier SharePoint Migrator, you can conveniently create and delete site collections from your web applications. The process just involves a simple click and typing the name of site collection to create it, or click and delete to delete a site collection. Thank you for watching this video. You can download